Lau e swale, ʷɑt til squi, Talitzel qua Kwantlen. My name is ʷɑt icɑ, which means that I wear the clouds like a blanket, and I'm from Kwantlen First Nation. My English name is Phyllis Atkins, and I live here in my community and run this ʷɑt icɑ Spring Salmon Studio with my husband, Drew Atkins. I've always felt a connection with the river. I was in my mom's belly when she was fishing, and she was actually having contractions. It's like she was out on the river the day that I was born. So this design was inspired to honor the sturgeon, the ʷälikan, and the special connection that I have with the work that I've been doing out on the river. I received these 3 sturgeon scoots from my boss at the time, Aaron Stoddard. I worked with him on the white sturgeon acoustic telemetry project. He was called to look at a sturgeon that had died, and it was just here on Kwantlen territory. It was a 75-year-old sturgeon, a female that still had the roe in her belly. These scoots came off her back, and he asked me if I wanted them, and I was like, yes, of course. They're like the armor or the bony spine on the backside of the sturgeon, and that's where this idea came from, to honor the elders of the river, which we consider the sturgeon to be. And when I was doing this design, it reminded me of a Salish weaving, like a wool weaving. This is also inspired by Drew's ʷälikan design. We just wanted to make sure that we were honoring the ʷälikan and the sturgeon because they are species at risk and integral part of Kwantlen's traditional foods that we eat. They are very important, along with the salmon, are sacred to the Kwantlen people and the people of up and down the river on Stolu or Stolo River. We're at MSC Precast today to look at one of my art projects for the Pattullo Bridge replacement project. Seeing the process from the pour and how they had 10 people working on the form to get it exactly the way that it needs to be for the best product. So I was really happy about that. For me, this is kind of like one of those milestone projects where it's like large scale, huge opportunity for me as an artist. And this is my first time working in this with concrete. So I'm just grateful. I'm grateful. Just having our connection to the land and water as Indigenous people is very important. I listen to Drew. He always says there's like a gentle way of teaching people, and I think that we could do that through art. This is coming full circle, like there's a revival of Indigenous art the greater community needs to know about.